Greetings to my beautiful subscribers. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, kindly support by pressing the subscribe button, and also don't forget to on your notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch the video. Mo fi àsìkò yìí kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin subscribers wa àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rèé tẹ́ máa bá fídíò wa pàdé, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa láti bá wa subscribe sórí channel yìí. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti tan notification button yín ní gbogbo tá a bá ju fídíò sórí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ lè máa ní àǹfààní láti rí fídíò náà wò. Mo kí wa káàárọ̀, mo kí wa káàsán, mo kí wa káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ ti máa gbọ́ mi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location where you are watching me from. Àwa ọkùnrin, gbogbo ọkùnrin pátá ni mò ń fi àkókò yìí bá sọ̀rọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí a listen dáadáa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ń bẹ̀ mí náà wí, kò yọ mí náà sílẹ̀. Nítorí pé sórí gbogbo ìwọ ọkùnrin tí o bá fẹ́ jìyà lọ́jọ́ alẹ́, tó fẹ́ suffer, tó fẹ́ ráre lọ́jọ́ alẹ́, o ní láti ṣàwọn nǹkan kan, o dẹ̀ ní láti practice àwọn nǹkan kan so that your old age, it can be easy for you to manage your old age so that you won't suffer. O ní jìyà, o dẹ̀ ní dààmú. Though àwọn nǹkan kan lè yọ́lẹ̀ fún ẹ, but you can still manage it as a man in your old age. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé gbogbo ìwọ ọkùnrin tí o bá ní plan fún old age ẹ, fọ́jọ́ alẹ́, má béèrè àwọn nǹkan yìí lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé k'Ọlọ́run ṣe fún ẹ. Kí wọn náà dẹ̀ máa practice àwọn nǹkan kan tó bá ṣe ń gbàdúrà tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé k'Ọlọ́run ṣe fún ẹ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni kí wọn náà máa practice àwọn nǹkan kan sílẹ̀ nítorí ọjọ́ alẹ́. Má enjoy jù, má ṣe fàájì jù, má gbàgbé ara ẹ jù, má gbàgbé àlàáfíà, má sọ ẹ̀tẹ́ nù. Torí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá manage lásìkò yìí, òun náà ló máa assist ẹ tó bá dọjọ́ alẹ́. Tí old age bá ti dé, torí tó bá take note of all these things, if you don't take note all these things and you don't practice it, it's going to affect you in your old age. Àwọn nǹkan wo ló yẹ kó máa practice for now, tó dẹ̀ yẹ kó máa tọrọ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run? Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé àlàáfíà ara ẹ, your health. How are you managing yourself? How are you taking care of yourself? What are you eating? What are the things you are drinking or you are eating now that can affect you later or in your old age? What kind of enjoyment are you doing now that can affect you in your old age? Àwọn nǹkan wo ló ń dánwò ń sìn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n gan tó bá wò, wàá mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó lè pa ẹ́ lára ní lọ́jọ́ alẹ́. Wàá mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó lè affect ẹ ni. Wàá mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé yes, tó bá dà àwọn àsìkò kan tí àìsàn yìí bá dé, ṣé o lówó tó lè fi cure ẹ̀? Ṣé o lówó nípamọ́ tó lè fi nurse àìsàn yẹn? Ṣé o ń prepare ara ẹ pé yes, okay, tí àìsàn bá dé, ṣé o lẹ́mìí, ṣé o lágbára láti fi gbé? That is why you have to maintain yourself now. Most especially tí age bá ti ń wọ 30 something, o ti ń clock 40, o ti ń clock 50. These are the times you need to manage yourself. Mi lè sọ tó bá lówó, if you are rich, to know tó mọ̀ pé yes, okay, táwọn nǹkan kan bá dé, you have money, you are rich, you have money to spend, tí problem bá dé. Now, alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé kọ́kọ́ máa gbàdúrà yìí pé k'Ọlọ́run fún ẹ lálàáfíà, kí k'Ọlọ́run jogún àlàáfíà ara fún ẹ, nítorí gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ní àlàáfíà láyé yìí ó ti ní gbogbo nǹkan. Àlàáfíà ju owó lọ o, àlàáfíà ju mọ́tò lọ, àlàáfíà ju ilé lọ, àlàáfíà ju many things lọ. Because tó bá ní gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń wí, tó náwó, tó lọ́lá, tó ní mọ́tò, tó nílé, oníyàwó, nọ́mọ, tí ò bá ti ní àlàáfíà, tó bá ti lálàáfíà, you are useless. Beg God, first thing, beg God for good health. Because when you have a good health, you are good to go. But if you don't have a good health, you have money, you have house, you have cars, you have business, you have wife, you have children. If you are not in good health, that is zero. So first thing is that tọrọ àlàáfíà, good health from God. K'Ọlọ́run máa fún ẹ lálàáfíà. T'Ọlọ́run bá ti fún ẹ lálàáfíà, gbogbo yòókù kékeré. Then the second one is that tó bá ń tọrọ àlàáfíà, ṣé wọ́n gangan fúnra ẹ, ṣé ò manage rẹ̀? Ṣé wọ́n gangan fúnra ẹ, ṣé ò lo rẹ̀ ńlòkulò? Ṣé wọ́n gangan fúnra ẹ, ṣé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó ń jẹ, gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó ń mu, ṣé kò lè affect ẹ lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la? Ṣé kò lè disturb health ẹ? Ṣé kò lè dá àìsàn sí ẹ lára tó bá di ọ̀la? These are the things you have to monitor in your life. The way you use your life, the way you mess up with your life. It's very important. As a man, I'm talking about man for now. As a man, how are you taking care of yourself? Your health, are you checking everything? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you resting very well? Are you sure you are not overworking? These are the things. Even though you are in abroad or you are in Africa or anywhere you are in the whole world, you have to take care of yourself. Your life is very important to you. Your health is very important to you. Think about your old age. Think about when you are old. Ṣé mi ní suffer? Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe tí sickness bá dé ńkọ́, who is going to take care of me? We are going there. Now, these are the things you have to monitor in your life as a man. Because a time is coming that you cannot even walk very well, or your body is going to be weak. So, how can you take care of yourself now? That is why I said the first thing is that beg God, pray to God to give you good health. And you yourself manage your life, manage your health with what you are eating, with what you are drinking, with what you are smoking. Not thinking about your what? About your health and your old age. When you are going to get to 50, 60, 70, how can you manage yourself? Drinking, smoking, then you never think of all these things is going to affect you for your old age. Báwo ni gbogbo àwọn kìnìún ṣe ní dá ẹ láàmú? Ká máa bóbìnrin olóbìnrin sùn, ẹni obìnrin ló lè bá sùn. Bó ṣe mu sìgá ló mu gbogbo ẹ̀ pọ̀ mọ́ra wọn. Bó ṣe mu gogoro ló mu ọtí ló mu gbogbo ẹ̀. And you have forgot that, okay, ó ti gbàgbé pé kíní yìí ó máa padà yọ́lẹ̀ tó bá yá lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la. That is number 2. Number 3 ni pé wọ́n fúnra rẹ̀ alára ṣé ò ń ṣe exercise? Because it matters. It's very important as a man. You have to be doing exercise. Walk, a lot of exercise. Press up, a lot of exercise. You have to manage yourself. Though we understand that, okay, exercise is not easy, but you have to use it to train yourself. Ààrẹ máa lálàáfíà ní gbogbo ìgbà. má jẹun jù àsọkùnrin tó o bá ti ń tó àwọn age kan tó o ti ń wọ age bíi 40-50 reduce àwọn oúnjẹ tó ń jẹ máa try láti máa fast máa gbààwẹ̀ máa reduce àwọn oúnjẹ tó ń jẹ kò ń ṣe pé nítorí pé yes okay I have money you are rich because you are rich you have that money you eat too much food you drink too much you do many things over there is no measure there is no gauge all these things you have to put gauge you put measure in everything you are doing because age yẹ o ti ń dàgbà díẹ̀díẹ̀ o ti ń weak o kàn mọ̀ ni bó o ṣe lè lọ ara ẹ nígbà tó wà ní youth gbogbo nǹkan tó lè ṣe nígbà tó wà ní youth wàá rí i pé nígbà tó bá ti ń dàgbà ó máa reduce gbogbo àwọn egungun ẹ máa weak so rọra jẹun oúnjẹ ká jẹun rẹpẹtẹ oúnjẹ kó dalẹ̀ náà ká jẹun all these things you have to put measure and adjustment tó bá dọwọ́ alẹ́ o need láti jẹun too heavy gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ló ń sọ ló wà lórí YouTube ló wà lórí Facebook Instagram you can see the video there o need láti jẹun rẹpẹtẹ o need láti jẹun rẹpẹtẹ you have to bá bó bá lówó owó is not the big deal car is not the big deal ilé is not the big deal you can have money but you will not have good health how can you enjoy your life ẹni tó lówó tí ò lálàáfíà bí ẹni tí ò lówó náà ni but téèyàn bá tiẹ̀ lálàáfíà tó lówó you can manage yourself so all these things are something you have to take note of it and work towards it it's very important as a man tó o bá ti ń grow téèjẹ ti ń kọjá 30 club 40 up to 50 going like that you have to manage your life you have to manage your head you have to manage yourself with everything you are doing so that o ní àìsàn o ní wà no problem o ní di pé yes okay pé age ẹ òun grow tán they are now facing a lot of challenges because if you can't manage yourself as a man now you overdrink overeating you cannot put everything in measure within your age if care is not taken you are going to have problem with your head and you are going to suffer for it and luckily if you have someone to take care of you it's very better but if you don't have someone to take care of you your money cannot do everything these are the things you have to reasons it's not about money only even for you to even move from where you are sitting or where you are sleeping to go to bedroom or to go and wee or to go and poo to go and do many things if your health is not okay it will be very difficult for you to do this is why you have to take note and take care of yourself as a man don't overenjoyment it can affect you later too much smoking this one drinking this one you don't have taste you don't put measure in everything you are doing you do everything over it's going to affect you as a man in future if you don't take time that is how you have to manage yourself you have to manage your head you have to manage everything you are doing for now I said first thing is that pray for good health from God for God to give you good health and secondly you have to manage your what manage yourself with everything you are doing thinking of what your old age so that you won't suffer third one is that try to be doing exercise as a man try to be doing exercise at least if you can't do at least you can try to be doing little one we have little exercise that you can be doing that can support your head that can assist you for you to have a good health. Number 4, when you are growing you see that your age is coming up, be praying for good wife. Do good to your wife. Do good to your children. Take care of them very well. These are the people when you get to old age, they are going to take care of you. Forget about the money you have. Forget about your cars. Forget about the wealth you have. These are the people to take care of you. The first people to take care of you, these are the people. Your wife, your children. Don't joke with them. Take care of them. Make them as your friends. Play with them. Enjoy with them. Stop going outside, enjoying with friends. Enjoy with people that when you have problem, when your health is bad, they can't take care of you. Stay with your wife, your children. If your wife is good, make your wife as your partner, as your best friend, and your children. These are very important, because when problem comes in old age, the people to take care of you. They are the people that are going to be around you then, to be asking you, Dad, what do you need? Dad, you need this one. Dad, you need this one. Dad, let me assist you. Dad, let me help you for this one. They are the people to be around you. Tọ́jú ìyàwó àtọmọ. Mo ṣe ní kó gbàdúrà fún ìyàwó gidi. Ìwọ náà má ṣe ìyàwó. Ṣe dáadáa sí ìyàwó ẹ. Ṣe dáadáa sí àwọn ọmọ ẹ. Tọ́jú wọn. Forget about gbàgbé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tó ń lọ báńtà tí problem bá dé. Àwọn tó máa kọ́kọ́ rọ̀gbà yẹ ká, tó máa kọ́kọ́ take care làwọn ní àwọn ìyàwó ẹ àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ. Ṣe dáadáa sí àwọn ọmọ ẹ. Tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ. As a man, if you want your old age, you want to enjoy it very well. Even though you have money or you don't have money, forget about that one. These are the people to take care of you. Láti máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ kí ló fẹ́ jẹ, kí lẹ need, kí lẹ fẹ́ jẹ ká bá yín mú, kí lẹ need daddy. Even nǹkan táwọn nǹkan kan bá dé, táwọn challenges kan bá dé. Àwọn tó máa kọ́kọ́ ṣe kíni, tó máa kọ́kọ́ rántí, tó máa kọ́kọ́ súnmọ́ ẹ nìyẹn. Tó máa kọ́kọ́ tọ́jú ẹ. So these are very important things you need to take note. Take care wọn dáadáa. Tọ́jú wọn. Fowó bá wọn ṣeré tó bá náwó, tó bá ní ìwọ̀nba nǹkan tó bá ní, fi bá àwọn ọmọ ẹ ṣeré. Fi tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ ẹ. Fi tọ́jú ìyàwó. Gbàdúrà fún ìyàwó gidi. Tọ́jú wọn. Bá níyàwó kan ni, oníyàwó méjì ni, try láti tọ́jú wọn. So that níjọ́ tí old age bá dé, they should be the person to take care of you too. To do good to you. These are very important. Àtàwọn ọmọ tó bí náà. Ó ṣe kókó. Ó ṣe pàtàkì. Gbogbo ọkùnrin tí ó bá fẹ́ jìyà lọ́jọ́ alẹ́, tí ó fẹ́ ráre, tí ó fẹ́ kóhun nìkan, tóhun nìkan ò fẹ́ dáyé jẹ. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mo wí ló ṣe kókó, ló ṣe pàtàkì. Má jayé jù, má ṣe fàájì jù, má enjoy jù, má rántí ọjọ́ alẹ́.